Hello, everybody. My name is Tia of Archangelic Healing Arts, and I wanted to offer a little overview about the sound healing course I'll be offering September 24th through the 26th. I'm going to be doing a kind of a mini class, but not so mini class about using sound healing with the energy of the Archangelic Rays to offer a healing session and also to offer healing for ourselves. We're going to be using a few different modalities in combination, and these are techniques that I've picked up along the way and have been led by spirit to create a particular modality for healing using sound with the frequency of the Archangelic Rays. So what we're going to be doing for this class is covering the basics about sound and what it is and the frequency of sound and how it's been proven to bring healing to the autonomic nervous system, and how we can use sound using our voice, toning, chanting, using singing bowls, different instruments to really connect with the nervous system in a way that brings in balance, peace, and harmony. And that balance, peace, and harmony is what brings us into the natural healed state of homeostasis. Now, in combination with the frequency of the Archangelic Rays of healing, this is something that has become a very powerful and effective healing technique that I use regularly in every session with a client. And this is something that you can learn. So we're going to discuss first, we're going to get into sound healing and what it means and some of the research and studies that have been done. And then we're going to, in our second class, get into the actual technique of how to create and craft a session using sound, our voice, tones, singing bowls, along with the energy of the Archangelic Healing Rays. So it's really interesting because what I've been doing is really using sound to amplify the healing energy that is transmitted through me, through my open channel with spirit, and out my voice energy field and out of my hands with my hand chakras. So there's a lot of really interesting things I think that you're going to learn through this course, and we are really limitless healers, limitless creators. So it's going to be a fun journey and exploration into sound healing with the archangels. And again, this is something that spirit has led me into, and that came very naturally to me as I progressed doing my own practice, and something that I think you will find very, very useful, very simple, but extremely powerful. So I hope to see you there. This weekend will end with a practice session on Zoom, so we can all get together, no pressure. It's going to be a really fun environment, very loving, very safe, very protected environment for us to practice and explore this modality. So I think it's going to be really interesting to share this technique, and I hope everyone finds it really super beneficial and helpful and healing and informative and fun, because that's what it's about. And I'm going to have fun. So I'm very, very excited for this course, and I hope to see you there. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.